Clearfield all the way over to the right shoulder. They've got some barrels out in front of it to protect people on the shoulder. And so we're seeing a little bit of relief now in between Roy and Clearfield. The traffic is starting to move. It's not running at the speed limit at all, but it's starting to move at least. Traffic, though, the delays actually beginning right now prior to the era at the I-84 split in Riverdale. And again, bumper to bumper down into Clearfield. Still have some slowdowns prior to the 700 South Clearfield exit because of a separate crash that's on the right shoulder just before that exit ramp. Eric?
Well, today's sure a lot better than yesterday for Folktown, Utah County, northbound I-15 and Lehigh. We don't have the icy conditions and wrecks, but don't get too happy because if you're going all the way to downtown Salt Lake, you're in for a long delay unless you find an alternate. Right now, you've got slowdowns from Bangalore Highway all the way into Midvale. What's adding to all of the normal congestion is the crash in Midvale that's still blocking off a couple of right lanes, so it's really thick and slow right now from 114 South up to 7200 South. Heather?
You got good speeds on the east and west side belt routes making your way around the Salt Lake Valley. The earlier congestion on SR 36 coming out of Twilla County has eased a bit, and no delays right now on the 201 freeway or I-80 if you're heading toward I-15. Any Hour Services can help with any size electrical, plumbing, or heating project. They helped over 60,000 Utah homeowners last year. AnyHourServices.com. Heather Kelly in the KSL Traffic Center.
Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 9s, and Grant is back now with the hourly forecast on the 7 o'clock report.
It's cold out there this morning. We're starting off in the 20s, clear skies, winds generally light, temperatures 7 a.m. right about 24 degrees. At noon, we get sunshine at 37 and clouds to near 40 at 4 with, again, mostly sunny skies expected. Clear skies at 7 and 34 degrees. There's your hourly forecast. I'm Grant Wayman.
Just
at the center.
Just ahead of that sunrise, down a notch, 24 degrees.
We're talking about that terrible crash in the last lap of the Daytona 500. We're going to hear more from Victor Akendo coming up in a moment on that crash right here on KSL News Radio.
Gas stations are finally updating their pay-at-the-pump terminals.
It's one less thing to worry about when you use a credit or debit card.
The glory days of credit card skimming at gas stations may be coming to an end.
Analyst Matt Schultz with CompareCards.com says it's because those terminals were among the last to upgrade their technology by an end-of-the-year deadline.
Gas stations and convenience stores have to upgrade those terminals by October in order to meet this deadline.
If the terminal still tells you to swipe your card, take it into the attendant in order to pay. Daria Albinger, ABC News.
An Iowa man is accused of forcing a woman to watch the miniseries Roots because it would make her a better person. Robert Noy has been charged with harassment and false imprisonment. The Roots miniseries was based on author Alex Haley's family history, beginning with the capture and enslavement of his ancestor in Africa. The woman said when she tried to move, she was told to remain seated or she would be killed. So she was forced to watch a show about enslavement. She was enslaved to watch a show about enslavement.
One of the stranger stories. And how long was the miniseries Roots? It was long. I mean, you'd have to sit there a long time, right?
Gosh.
Hey, an effort in Gillette, Wyoming to break the world record for the most sparklers lit at once has fizzled because of a technicality. People in Gillette submitted the August event for Guinness World Records to verify. They had 2,500 lit sparklers at once, but Guinness had